Hi, I'm Kirsty, property partner at CL Real Estate. Today I'm here outside my new listing on Mayfield Close, situated in Walderslade Woods. Offered with no chain, this home will impress you on every level. Come with me, let's take a look inside. The ground floor accommodation of this property offers a downstairs WC, a study, a large modern kitchen, a living room, separate dining room and access into the double garage. Mayfield Close is situated in a quiet cul-de-sac off of Impton Lane and close to local amenities such as Walderslade Village. Walderslade Village benefits from a doctor's surgery, hairdressers, co-op, fast food takeaways and coffee shops. This home is within the Tunbury School catchment area, a school which has a great reputation going back generations. Several secondary schools and grammar schools are within easy reach to Rochester and Maidstone. Located a stone throw away from the M2 and M20 motorways for those needing to commute. This home has two entrances leading out onto the south-east facing garden. Unlike most homes in Walderslade, this has got a flat garden, perfect for entertaining in them summer months. The homeowners are currently using the fourth reception room as a home gym, but if you have children, you could use it as a playroom. As we come up to the first floor of this beautiful home, we have 6 bedrooms, 5 of which are doubles, an ensuite to the master and a family bathroom that offers a bath and a shower. As you can see, this home has a lot of space, so you can unpack your stuff and move straight in. So that's our tour of Mayfield Close. If this home ticks your boxes, give me a call on the number below.